Okay guys, I thought I'd give you my budgeting tips for outside fall decor, for everything on sale or from the Dollar Tree. I do not, it feels like a fall day here in Michigan, first day, and it's raining and in the 60s in Michigan. But I do not have a wreath. I haven't found one on sale, so I just have this guy, the scarecrow from the Dollar Tree, it says welcome for $1. I have this scarecrow from last year from the Hobby Lobby, and he was on sale for $3. And I also got this from Hobby Lobby last year, and it says Happy Fall, y'all, and he was on sale for $5. I do have two scarecrows, the girl and the guy. I have those for at least 3 years. I got them on sale from Meijer at the end of the season for $4 a piece, and they've lasted, but they don't put their stuff on sale till literally November. This is my thankful and blessed sign from the Dollar Tree. Here is my welcome fall. I did get this flag this year from Lowe's because we normally have a flag that has Mickey and pumpkins on it, but our flagpole broke this year, so we made it so the American flag stays on it, so we have to get a new flagpole. And so I bought this year for $8. I normally do have my two mums in this. I just have not bought my mums or pumpkins yet. And then my car says Happy Harvest, Dollar Tree. And then on the side we do just have a scarecrow from the Dollar Tree. Simplistic, very easy. And then we do have things for Halloween we put up, so nothing expensive, under $20. Still cute, but not too much. I can't wait to get my mom's though. And then I get 5 pumpkins because there's 5 of us.